Hi guys, welcome to Eagle Eye FX, and in today's video I'm doing a market overview, and today we are looking at gold. All right, now this is one of the most traded metal. Yeah, so and I want us to look at it. I mean, I'm still yet to meet someone who has mastered gold. It's one of the trickiest because it moves very rapidly. All right, but yeah, I'm sure you can get some pips if you just apply proper risk management. I'm sure you can catch some moves on gold. All right, so guys, remember we have a free Telegram group. For those who want to join our free Telegram group, you can join, and for also those who want to join our VIP, we have a VIP group. Remember also to join. Okay, remember to follow us also on Instagram at Eagle Eye FX, and also remember to subscribe and to like this video. All right, so I'm on a daily time frame, and you can see that gold has been on a downward trend. Okay, and it seems as if gold is also has changed the direction again, because you can see that gold has been on a downward trend like that. Okay, let me clone this and create two, so you can see that has been the direction of gold. All right, yeah, it has been making lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. All right, now also here you can see that let me remove this first. You can see another movement here. So you see that when gold got here, this was a very beautiful one. If you could have gotten here, then you could have captured so many pips, because you see that gold, when gold reached, it made a double bottom. So you see that all this move was supported by this double bottom. All right, and then what happened? Then there's also this, so you can see also there's another zone here. There's another zone here. If I draw the zone here, so you see that gold came here, was supported, then it went up to this point here. Okay, up to that point here, and you can see also here. All right, let's change the color to this. Then it came back, but this time around there was enough force to break. But you see that even though it came all the way here, it still obeyed this trend line. Okay, came here to obey the trend line again, as you can see. Then it supported, formed a double bottom, was supported, and then broke the structure, as you can see, broke the structure and supported, and then went all the way up to this level here. Then it came again to test this zone here, came to test this zone here, and you see that it forms some sort of a double, as sort of some sort of like some other double bottom. Then you see that it's been buying. All right, let's go to the 4-hour time frame, but before that, let me clear this quickly so that nothing is standing on our way, and so that I can be able to see the chart clear. Now, another thing, guys, try and make your work as simple as possible. Okay, if you have noticed, if you have been watching my videos, I don't use indicators. It's purely price action. So, and I like to simplify and make my charts as simple as possible. Okay, yeah, so let me go back to the 4-hour time frame. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame, and on the 4-hour time frame you can see that this movement here. So we can draw another eye here. So gold might come all the way here to go up, or it might just change the direction and go up, because if you look keenly here, you notice some sort of like a zone here. Okay, let me just do it here. If you look at it well, you see that gold has formed some sort of a zone. Let me change the color here so that you don't get confused. All right, so you can see that it went here, this level was being rejected and rejected, then broke, then support, all this support. So gold might easily might easily go long here, might easily buy, and this is a move that we caught. Okay, This is a move that we caught. All right, let me draw this quickly. So this is a move that we caught here. Let me go back down further to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so when you look at the 1 hour time frame, you can see that it has also formed some sort of a double bottom. So if I play this, see that this one candlestick like this, it's so many pips. Okay, so let me show you some of the moves that we caught just with one candlestick. It was more like a scalping. It was more of scalping. So you can see 21st, we took these trades at around 451. Okay, this is what trades that we took. So we took at 1800.39, and you can see that 1800 was somewhere around here, I think where it was when this candlestick closed, this particular one here. We entered our buy there. Then I put my stop loss just below, the zone. Then I think I targeted just somewhere around here, because if you look at it keenly, you can see that here it formed like there's also like another zone there, because you can see rejection here, then broken. So I just targeted this small moves, okay, here. So you can see that it came down, but my stop loss was below here. Then just 1 hour, one candlestick. This one candlestick was the move that we caught, and as you can see, this was a move. Okay, 1800. Okay, we entered. Our first take profit was at 1802, and our second take profit was at 1805, and you can see that all of them hit TP. So this was more like scalping. Okay, for gold we normally like scalp. All right, let's go on. And then on the 23rd, we took also another gold. We took another buy. So you see this one, when it went above our entry, then we adjusted our stop loss to break even. That's why you see that it closed but with 200. But these are the trades we took the same day. But for this one, we held onto it. So we adjusted our stop loss quite a bit, but definitely with risk management. Then we held it, and this was on a Friday or so, if I'm not wrong. So we held it the following week, and you see that it came to hit our full TP at 1810.26 at 5994.30. Then on the same day, I think gold was still buying, so we took another buy, and you see that it hit our take profit. So this is it. If you play this, you see that. So when it came down again, then when it came back, then we entered another buy here. We're just trying to catch these little moves here, just this from this zone here to this small zone here. So this is another move that we took, and then let's see how it went. So gold was selling, and then selling and selling, and then see here it was, and then so it was really obeying this level here. So okay, let's go on, let's play it. Let's see. So if I adjust this, you can see that it's really obeying these two levels here. So this was the move that we caught also on the 26th. The move that I just showed you is a move that we caught on the 26th. This one bar here we caught on the 26th. So I think yesterday was yesterday. Yeah, I think yesterday when we entered somewhere around here, can't quite remember well. Then we got this move here. You see that it obeyed, then there was a very strong push to the upside, and then until today now that gold has really gone up like this. You see this very big move, and you can see this is the big move, okay, from 1798 to 1805 is a trade that we took to the 27th, and then already it has hit our take profit with these three, but we still have some signals that are running, and we are still holding to see how it will go. So basically, let me remove that drawing. Basically, what I do with gold is if I go, for example, back to the 1 hour time frame, if I'm drawing my trend line, I realize that gold really obeys. I draw my trend lines based on the week, okay, because you see that gold will come all the way to come and test the week, because if, for example, I draw this line here like this, you can see that even though gold was selling here, assuming this was a level here, you see that it came all the way almost to this level here, this week here, this level here, come and test it for it to push up. So I normally like drawing my levels from the week. So when I go to the 4 hour time frame, you see like here now, I'll do this because it's almost like now it's on a downward trend. Let me delete this, and then let's clone this. Then okay, so you see that I'll draw something like this. Yeah, I'll draw something like that. Okay, then if I go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that there are several levels here, but let me stick to the 4 hour time frame because I like higher time frame because it gives me more accuracy. So you can see here gold was buying. This is very interesting. Gold was buying, then when it's reached here, it came all the way to this trend line, to touch the trend line, then went back and continue going up. Okay, yeah, and then you see here also it came down and came all the way here, then went up. So I normally like targeting trend weeks, domains like that. So like for this one, I'll patiently wait for it somewhere down here before I buy. Okay, and if I'm selling, I will patiently wait because you see that it obeyed here and here and here and here again. So I will not sell here nor buy here. I'll wait for it to come to this level here, then I can enter my sell, or this level here, then I can enter my buy. So guys, I don't know, share your strategies. What are some of the strategies that you use on gold? So share with us on the comment section your experiences with gold, the strategies that you use, whether on scalping or on swinging, and then I believe that we are also going to learn something from you. So thank you so much. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, and see you next on the next video. Cheers.